Hey everyone, and welcome back to Moin Beauty Secrets. It's so good to have you here. Today we're diving into the juicy world of skincare, and I'm going to share a secret weapon for glowing, youthful skin that might just be hiding in your fridge. Are you ready for it? We're talking about the incredible, the delicious, the powerful Blackberry. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Blackberries. In my skincare, absolutely. These little dark gems are more than just a tasty snack. They are bursting with benefits that your skin will absolutely love. Think of them as a natural multivitamin for your face. So, why are they so amazing? First off, blackberries are packed, and I mean packed, with antioxidants. They're especially rich in vitamin C, and a vitamin C is a superstar for brightening your complexion, evening out skin tone, and helping to fade those pesky dark spots. It also boosts collagen production, which is key for keeping our skin firm and bouncy. So, more blackberries can mean less noticeable fine lines and wrinkles over time. Who doesn't want that? Then there's vitamin A, another anti-aging champion. It helps to speed up cell turnover, meaning it encourages your skin to shed old dull cells and reveal the fresh, radiant skin underneath. On top of that, blackberries contain something called anthocyanins, which are the pigments that give them their beautiful deep purple color. These powerful compounds help protect your skin from environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays, which can cause premature aging. It's like having a delicious little bodyguard for your skin. So, how can you incorporate blackberries into your routine? The easiest way is to eat them. Adding a handful to your morning yogurt, smoothie, or just enjoying them on their own is a fantastic way to get all those skin-loving nutrients from the inside out. True beauty really does start from within. You can also create a simple DIY face mask. Just mash up a few ripe blackberries, mix them with a teaspoon of honey for its antibacterial properties, and a little plain yogurt for some gentle exfoliation. Apply it to your face, relax for about 15 minutes, and then rinse it off. Your skin will feel so refreshed and look incredibly vibrant. Always remember to do a small patch test first, just to be safe. That's our little secret for today. Give these blackberry tips a try and let me know how you get on in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Moin Beauty Secrets and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our tips for radiant, healthy skin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!